All right, number 8, it says find the least common multiple by doing dividing primes, which I'll try to use that method as much as possible. This one is not prompted to take the prime factorization, so we can do it that way. And even if it asks you the other way, again, I don't mind which way you do it. Just pick a way, and then as long as it works, it's fine. So I'm going to divide both of these by 9. I know that 9 is a factor of both of these numbers. That will leave me with 2, and that will leave me with 7. Okay, so now they're both prime to each other, so all I have to do is multiply 9, 2, and 7. All the numbers on the outside. So 9 times 2 times 7 is going to give me my LCM. And if I multiply 9, 2, and 7, that will give us 126. So I'm just going to put 126 here. All right, same thing. Prime factors. We're going to do 135, 280, and 300. All right, all these can be divided by 5. 5 will go into 13 twice, and 35 7 times. 5 will go into 28 5 times. That'd be 25, subtract 3, and that'll give you 6, and 36, 0. Okay? And then all 3 of these. Nope. Is this divisible by 3? No. 9? No. Can I divide all 3 of them by something? I can divide, both of these are even. What's 56? 8? 7? Okay, so let's do this. Let's divide these 2 by 3. You can do 2 at a time if you have to. So let's do 3. It's going to become a 9. Leave this as 56. And divide this one. This will become 20. All right. Both of these are even. 4. We can divide by 4. Both of those by 4. So leave this 9 alone. 4 and 16, and that'll give us 5. Okay, and then all of these are relatively prime to each other from that point. So once you divide everything you can, and nothing can divide out of each of them anymore, we will just multiply all the numbers on the outside. So I'm going to get this calculator, and then I'm going to do 5 times 3 times 4 times 9 times 16, 5. That gives me 43,200. So, made a mistake somewhere. I don't know if... Okay, let's try it again. So, 135, 280, and 300. Let's make sure my math is right. So let's just double check all the math. $135 divided by 5 is 27. And then 280 divided by 5 is 56. And then 300 divided by 5 is 60. Now, these are divisible by 4, but this one is not. I don't think there's anything, because this one is divisible by 3 only. This one is not. This one is. And you can do 2 at a time. So let's go ahead and divide 4 out of these 2. Just make sure I didn't mess up. And let's do 56 divided by 4. It's 14. I put 16, so that was my mistake. That's where I messed up. 14 divided by 4 is 15. So 60 divided by 4 is 15. And then this is 27. We would leave it alone since we didn't divide. And then these 2 are divisible by 3. So I can divide by 3. And that will leave us with 9. That one we will leave alone. And that will leave us with 5. Okay, so because I had 16 here up above there and not 14, I made a mistake trying to do mental math. This is, again, we can still do that same thing. And so I'm going to do 5 times 4 times 3 times 9 times 14 times 5. And it gives us the 37,800. Okay, so that's how we get that.